Hey guys, welcome to TechZ Gaming. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can use any gamepad or joystick to play Fortnite, Apex Legends or any other game on your PC. Well, yes, I did make a video a long time earlier and that video got a lot of support from you guys. So I thought to make a more detailed version of this video. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into it. So first of all, you will need a couple of softwares and I will obviously link them down in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about them. So first of all, here I have all of them extracted. So now first you have to install the Xbox 360 driver, which is gonna be the official Xbox driver. And yes, I already have this installed, so I cannot install it again. It will show me an error message, but you will have to install this at first. Now if you have Windows 10, then most probably you will not need it, but if you are running a Windows that is not Windows 10 or lesser than that, so you will have to install this guy. So well, after that we are going to install universal joystick driver. Now you guys might have the problem of having a driver of your joystick, and that is actually common and normal, so we are going to use a universal one. So you just have to come here and install this guy. Well, I already have this installed, so it is showing me that I have to remove this, so I'm going to say no, but you will have to install this and don't worry, you will have no problem with it. Now after that you will have to install SCP driver. Now some antivirus software might find this guy as a virus, but the reason it is actually considered as a virus cause it writes in the root directory of Windows 10 or Windows. So it is actually not a virus. You don't have to worry about anything. Just turn off your antivirus software for a couple of minutes and install this one. It will not do any kind of problem or any kind of harm to your PC. I've been using this for a long time and I didn't have any problem with this thing. So you just have to install it. Just press install. I already have this one installed too. So after having all of them installed, you just have to connect your gamepad. Now after connecting your gamepad, you will have to open X output. Now here you will see your gamepad. If you don't see your gamepad here, then most probably your gamepad is not working properly or it has some cable issues. Just try to fix them and you will see your gamepad right here. Now after that, press this settings button and here you will find a page where you will have to assign all the buttons. Now assigning button is not that hard. You can just copy mine, or if you are having any problem with any of your buttons, just go to control panel, hardware and sound, devices and printers, and from here go to this game controller settings and then go to properties. And now if you press a button on your gamepad, the button number on the gamepad will just glow, and here you can just say that which button it is. Like I am pressing Y button right now and the number 1 is actually glowing up, so I can understand that if I want to assign Y on the gamepad or on this X output, then I will have to assign it to button 1. And this way I already figured out what all the buttons will be, and most probably for you it will be the same. But if it's not the same or a button is not working correctly, then just come here and assign it for yourself. And I can't say which button would be, but most probably it will be the same. Now after all the assigning, just close everything and then just press start and you can go into the game. And here you can see I am using my gamepad to control my character on Fortnite without any kind of issue. But if you are facing any issue, then obviously comment on the comment section below. But I am not having any kind of issue, so I will try my best to fix your problem. So guys, this was it for today, and yes, this tutorial or this method works on every game on PC, so you don't have to worry that your game might work or not. So guys, this is it for today and I'll catch you up in the next video.